Think about one of your favorite things. It could be anything, your favorite food, your pet, or even season of the year. How much do you know about it? If it's a favorite, then you probably know quite a lot. For example, if your favorite season is fall because of the color of the leaves, you know something about those colors and their variety. Or if your favorite food is tomatoes, you know how they taste and what they look like. And you may have learned other things about them. Sometimes we gather information on a topic, which may include some information we already know and some we didn't. Writing down information about a subject keeps it clear and organized. You can write the information on a notepad or enter the information into a computer. Some machines, such as weather gauges, can automatically record information. Information is usually gathered for a purpose, such as making a decision or drawing a conclusion. Whether you write it down or just remember it, information gathered for any purpose is called data. Data can be qualitative or quantitative. Qualitative data are about qualities, characteristics that you can describe in words, like the way something looks, its color and shape. Qualitative data also may tell what type of thing it is. Quantitative data tell quantities, amounts expressed with numbers. They tell us how much or how many. Quantitative data include measurements like length, temperature, speed, age, or numbers of things. Once you gather data on something, it can help you make decisions. But be careful, because too much information can work against you if it's not well understood, or some may not be important for the decision. So any information you gather and record for a purpose can be data. But it's important to determine its relevance to the purpose. Let's look at some examples. How's the weather where you are? Is it sunny, rainy, snowy, cold, hot? What color is the sky? Is the sky blue? Are there white clouds or dark clouds? Information that answers these questions is qualitative data, telling about the quality of the weather or sky or the clouds. Such information on the type of day is qualitative data you can use to decide what to wear or whether to take an umbrella or not. It can be used right away to make an immediate decision. You could also collect qualitative data for a number of days, say a month. The data could include how many days were sunny, rainy, or cloudy. You could compare the results to those for another month in another season. If someone plans to visit you, you can provide data that might be helpful in planning what to bring. Or you might be interested to know which month is the driest or wettest. That could help determine when someone who doesn't like wet weather should visit. How does your garden grow? If your garden is anything like our feature garden in Alaska, then it grows big. Alaska's a big state, and vegetables there grow to record-breaking sizes, a 19-pound carrot and a zucchini bigger than a baseball bat. Of course, the long summer days may be part of the secret, but not the whole secret. Alaska has a colorful history of farming and agricultural projects, and two gentlemen with family roots in the valley are aiming for the ultimate prize. The 100-pound cabbage. That's a lot of coleslaw. The Dinkle brothers, Gene, a retired science teacher, and Don, a horticulturist, have been growing their incredible edibles for years, surprising the judges each year at the Alaska State Fair.
Something to be proud of, the kohlrabi right here. This is a new world record.
But how do they manage to grow these giant veggies? Recording qualitative and quantitative data helps. An example of qualitative data could be the type of soil and the nutrients they add to it. Examples of quantitative data could be the amount of rainfall and the number of sunny days these plants enjoy, as well as the obvious one, how long or heavy the resulting vegetable is. Although these two brother farmers grow unusual vegetables, their record keeping is typical for farmers who seek an award-winning harvest year after year.
This is the cabbage that I'm pretty sure I'll take to the fair. It's huge. I measured it before, and it goes about 72 inches, about 6 foot across. The head itself is not large. It could spend a little more time growing, but it's pretty mature. It's a huge cabbage, and it's just gorgeous. Let's load it up and take it in.
There's a storm a-brewin', and storm chasers want to know where. With mobile weather recording instruments, along with local and National Weather Service data, these weather junkies are ready to ride out the storm. Will they be in the right place at the right time? Accurate forecasting is the first line of defense against violent weather. Complex systems automatically record data about weather. Meteorologists can study such data. It allows them to report and predict patterns in the weather. In America, data is collected from over 1,000 land stations, 2,000 ocean observation sites, and dozens of satellites. Each data gathering place records vital weather statistics, such as air temperature, pressure, rainfall, and wind speed. This quantitative data is fed into a supercomputer with sophisticated prediction software, and the meteorologists get a reasonably accurate forecast. Also, storm chasers can improve their chance of being in the right spot to track their next big, twisted encounter.